is active. Your brain has to find the word, build the structure, produce the sound, and all in real time under social pressure. So, recognition, you have practiced for decades. Retrieval, you have almost never practiced at all. So what do? Well, you close the gap by doing the one thing your brain has been avoiding. You produce. Imperfectly, slowly, with gaps and borrowed English words, but you produce. Not because output is the only way to learn, but because your specific problem is not lack of knowledge. Your specific problem is lack of practice retrieving what you already know. And the only way to train retrieval is to retrieve. You don't need more input. You need to start using what you already have. Even if it's one sentence, even if it's wrong, even if you have to stop halfway through and start again. That is not failure. That is exactly what closing the gap looks like. Your Croatian is not gone. It's waiting, and it just needs to be asked.